Namo Shakyamuni Buddha. There are many techniques you can use to meditate. The technique we're using is mindfulness of breathing, also called Anapanasati, taught by the Shakyamuni Buddha. Anapanasati is an old Indian word which means respiration. Anapanasati meditation is the awareness of the breath coming in and going out. Meditation is important to become more aware and attentive. Only a calm mind can meditate. You can certainly find a nice quiet corner to meditate alone. However, the presence of other practitioners practicing conscientiously in a peaceful and conducive atmosphere lends tremendous support to one's efforts. In order to feel the benefits in your life, practice this meditation for 15 to 20 minutes twice a day, morning and evening. You may also want to practice keeping these 5 precepts in your daily life. They will help you in your meditation and also help you lead a happy and harmonious life. 5 precepts to follow, a code of behavior or code of moral conduct. 1. To abstain from killing. 2. To abstain from stealing. 3. To abstain from sexual misconduct. 4. To abstain from lying. 5. To abstain from all intoxicants. While this is the essence of what the Buddha taught, it is not a religion. Rather, it is the cultivation of human values leading to a life which is good for oneself and good for others. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all the temples, monks, nuns, and teachers who taught me the mindfulness meditation. This instructional mindfulness meditation was put together by the lay friends and myself. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to Jeanette Jen and Jessica Tong for their time and efforts. May you all be happy meditating. May you all be peaceful and harmonious. May you all be loved and kind. May you all be liberated, liberated, liberated. Namo Shakyamuni Buddha.